we're clear of the Chuck Joes now. And I'm not trying to restore this to pristine, I'm just trying to repair it. No more, no less. I could machine every face on it and make it look gleaming and brand new with nice square edges, but that's not the way it's supposed to look. It is a 100-year-old and it's meant to look 100-year-old. Yep, settle for that. It's actually not a bad colour match, the bronze I've put on. Paper template goes back on. We just turn it around like that, and that's, those holes are lined up. So now we can mark it. Basically I'll just grind that black line off on the sander. I'll get a transfer punch and mark that hole. So now we can idiot punch the right way around, John. A lot of eyeball work going on here. Some people call it guessing. I'm not quite happy with that yet. So come across this way a little bit. Better. We'll line up the three centres as best we can. We'll put the ruler like that, I suppose. Right, I'll settle for that. We'll drill a hole in there and then we'll have it ground to shape. I might actually stick that on there and then grind it down to the paper. But we've got the hole centre out, we can drill that now. Right, that'll do for John. Brass is strange stuff to drill. There is a way of sharpening drills to alleviate them digging in. I'll put a pellet hole through first. I'll use the knee of the drill to feed it, and it shouldn't drag in. If you use the quill, it will drag in. Slow it down a little bit. Nice and gently, we're not in a hurry. So machines, the bronze is beautiful stuff to machine. Right, nice and gently. That weld material is absolutely solid, there's no blowholes in there. It's a very good colour match for the original. Very happy indeed with that. I can use my dad's drill just to put a little countersink on like that. Every time I pick that drill up now, I'm going to think of my dad, which is not a bad thing. I've taken the thick off with an angle grinder or the slitting disc in, and you can see the material's really solid. There's no voids or blowholes in it. This is designed for sand and wood, but it does a pretty good job on brass as well. Now the heat's bastard, that was hot. The heat's melted the glue on the bit of paper. I'll have to do some of that method. Christ, that burnt my finger, that. Right, we're going to settle for a scribe line now. That was really warm, that. Right, that's the finished article. I'll put its wick back in. All the wire nails to poke it back down the hole. That just lies in the bottom of there. I need to do something with that top. I don't like that top. I think I'll see if he wants a better top making for it. Come on, Johnny. The bronze is a really good colour match. If it wasn't for that little bit there, it would be hard to tell which side I'd repaired. I don't normally do sort of production work, but I've got 8 of these spacers to do, 40mm long, with a 6mm hole through the middle. Put a 4mm hole in first. The 6mm drilling, and it's going to give a bit more room for the swarf to come out of. Right, we've got enough to get the 40mm. Right on the end of the bar. I wrote it down at 40. Just go down one gear. This is that stainless steel party blade I got given. It's really good. It's thinner than my tip tool as well, so I'm wasting less material. It's ground with a slight angle on that way, which means the part you cut off hasn't got a pip on it. Right, we've just got 7 more to do, and that's the job done. Bastard. Once again, just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and as always, a massive thanks for all the well wishes and kind words that have been coming in. Anyway, thanks for watching. If your name's drawn out, I post a prize off to you anywhere in the world, completely free of prize. Completely free of prize, you bellend. That up and do quite a lot of machining to bring it back to the way it's supposed to be before they smash the end of it. Send me an email with your address. That's your address, you fucking idiot, man. This week's nightcap, it'll probably be a 2-part one. I'll stretch it out to 2 parts so I can get a little bit more money. Oh, Johnny, man.